Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have what you need. Confirm your OS and which browser you want the Google search bar in, then sign in with an admin account if required. First, right-click the taskbar or control-click the dock and look for Search or Widget settings. Enable any search widget or Google shortcut. If using Chrome, open Settings and toggle the Show Home button or install the official Google Toolbar extension. Once done, position the bar where you want it, taskbar, dock, or browser toolbar. Next, install and configure the tools that create a persistent Google search bar. In Chrome, go to Settings, Appearance, and enable the Home button, then set the Home button to Google. Make Google your default search engine under Search Engine Settings. If your browser lacks a native widget, install the official Google extension from the browser store and pin it to the toolbar. Make sure the extension has permission to read and change your search settings. Once configured, test by typing a query or clicking the home icon. Finalize by locking the toolbar or widget position and restarting your browser to confirm the Google search bar remains. If it disappears, re-enable the widget in taskbar or dock settings, reinstall the Google extension, and clear the browser cache to remove conflicts. If settings revert after reboot, inspect startup apps, group policy, or parental controls that might override preferences. Finally, test search functionality and shortcut behavior. If problems persist, reboot the system and retry the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.